Did you know that UF has its own forge? We're here with Gator Blacksmithing to learn more. Daniel, tell us more about who you are and what you do.
Yes, so my name is Daniel. I am the head of the design team Gator Blacksmithing, where we take students who don't know what an anvil is and teach them over the course of many workshops how to forge their own set of blacksmithing tools.
What are some of the activities that club members can participate in?
Yeah, absolutely. So on a week-to-week basis, we have multiple forge days on a week. And so each of those forge days is specifically a workshop for a level of experience. And so depending on what level you are, you'll participate in those workshops throughout the week and gain more in our experience at blacksmithing. Overall, for the course of the year, we also participate in competitions. So every 2 years, we do the TMS, the Minerals, Metals, and Materials Society. We do their bladesmithing competition. And every year we participate in the Forging Industry and Educational Research Foundation, and then we compete against the other schools in those blacksmithing competitions.
What are some of the skills that club members learn?
Obviously you learn blacksmithing skills, you learn where to forge on an anvil and hammer techniques and all those sorts of things. But you also learn design. You have to be able to 3D model things. You have to be able to understand how metal is going to move. You learn communication. When you're in a forge, you have to be able to communicate with the people you're working with in real time. And so you learn communication, you learn teamwork, you learn design, you learn all sorts of things that are applicable to any sort of field that you want to get into. It gives you a hands-on experience of what you're learning in your class. It is one thing to say, a metal is sitting at 1,000 Celsius, what force do you need to move it from one place to another? And it's another thing to say, I have a metal in my tongs that is glowing yellow, and I'm hitting it with a hammer, and it's moving this much, and then it cools down to a red temperature, and it does something different. And to be able to really understand that and feel it, to hear the difference in the sound, to see the difference in the color, it really gives you a different perspective on what you're learning.
If you're interested in learning more about Gator Blacksmithing, find them on UF's Material Science and Engineering website.